guys, welcome to Miniature GT. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to unbox Hot Wheels 5-pack Mopar 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. Dodge produced 3 separate models with the name Dodge Charger Daytona, all of which were modified Dodge Chargers. The name was taken from Daytona Beach, Florida, which was an early center for auto racing and still hosts the Daytona 500, NASCAR's premier event. The original Dodge Charger Daytona was designed to beat the competition in NASCAR racing. It was the first NASCAR vehicle to reach 200 miles per hour, which was a major milestone at the time. With the racing failure of the previous limited edition 1968 Dodge Charger 500 in NASCAR, the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona was created. It was intended to be a high-performance, limited edition version of the Dodge Charger produced. It won its first race, the inaugural Talladega 500. Buddy Baker, in the number 99 Chrysler Engineering Dodge Charger Daytona, was the first driver in NASCAR history to break the 200 miles per hour mark, on March 24, 1970, at Talladega. It was equipped with a 440 cu Magnum engine as standard. I love the old-school design of the Charger Daytona long hood, sleek body style, big spoiler at the back looks cool. Daytona Dodge and number 1 stickers on the side of the car. Black straps on the bonnet and the roof of the car and nice details on the hood of the car like air vents, creases etc. Pointed nose of the car make it more aerodynamic. Base of the car and rear bumper are in chrome with nice detailing. So guys, do you like this 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona? Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Stay tuned.